Alright guys, today I'm picking this master padlock. Try not to drop it this time. It's a, I think it's 4-pin, no securities. It's real easy, but it's a rekeyable core. But before this video I tried to open it, and check it out, because I was going to open it on video. But I ended up stripping the screw, so oh well, I can't get it out really. And I don't want to drill it out because I don't think I have drills, but it'd just be real tricky, and I don't think it'd accomplish anything. So, okay, this is the M1 keyway, by the way, and I'm gonna use 2 tension wrenches, one to fill that little gap in the bottom of the keyway to keep me from binding. What the hell is going on? There we go. And then I'm going to use a short hook, and I'm going to rake it out. Oh. Huh. Yeah. Try to just there we go. Single tension wrench. It was binding funny. So there it is. Ready? Whee! It's open. But, oh, I set it back. Okay, I'll have to redo it one time. Okay, here we go. Lock it. It's locked. I wanted to show you guys something. So, I don't know if I said, but I got Abba, Mamma Mia in the background. So, yeah, see, now my tension wrench is binding funny again, but differently. What the hell? Sometimes this pisses me off. But there we go. Open. Okay, check out how it's open. See how it's in the open position? Watch when I shut the shackle. Ready? Pow! Did you see that? Spun right around. Now, watch. You try to get a key in there to fix it. Key only goes in that far, and the key can only spin this far, and oop, this far. So the key stops. So you'd think you'd be fucked. I did when I first got it. But you just gotta get a tension wrench in the top of the keyway like this and spin it to the lock position. And it's all set to go. So, there you go. Remember guys, keypicking.com. KEYPICKING.com. Rock on. Enjoy.